short bedtime relaxation meditation. Welcome to this bedtime meditation. This audio is perfect for the night. It'll help you relax your body, your mind, and also bring the day to an end. When you are ready to go to sleep, make yourself comfortable in your bed. Find a position in which your body feels at ease and you think you can maintain for a few minutes. Close your eyes softly. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale and exhale. Breathe deeply in. Breathe slowly out. Set the intention to use these minutes to relax and prepare to sleep soundly. Bring awareness to your body. Notice its state. Notice its needs. Send relaxation and love. Let your body know that you care about it, and you are here to show your loving support. Now bring your awareness to your feet and legs. Notice the state of your toes, the arches of the feet, and the heels and the ankles. Allow your feet and shins to relax deeply. Release any tension in your knees. Feel your entire legs relaxing, growing heavy and sinking deep into the bed. Release any pain, discomfort, or pressure that you may identify in your feet or along your legs. Move up to the pelvis and your hips. Let go of any tension, discomfort, or pain that you may observe. Now soften and relax your abdomen, your torso, and your back. If you identify any pain, discomfort, or tension, breathe lovingly into this area and release everything that gets in the way. Bring your attention to your heart and chest area. Allow your chest to expand, providing space for your heart and lungs to perform at their best. Release any tension in your elbows and wrists. Relax each and every one of your fingers. Your arms feel relaxed and ready to rest. Allow your face to soften and relax. Every part of it. Relax also the crown of your head. Inhale deeply, imagining the breath going from the crown of your head all the way down to the soles of your feet. Exhale and allow your breath to flow up your body, reaching your crown. It's time to bring this day into an end. Being grateful for what you learned, for the people you connected with. Thank yourself for allowing time for this meditation. Breathe in and out deeply and fall asleep.